complete this. Very high. I asked few of them one beautiful question. Hare, I just listened to your report few minutes back on the channel, TV channel, asking your clients to go short. That is only for clients. That is a fact. Either you accept me or you can kill me also, I don't worry, but that is the fact. When it comes to their own money, everyone is selfish. And what was the thing everyone was telling you? The pre-budget rally was so strong, there will be either a correction or negative news will flow in on the day of budget. Do you remember that? It was just the recent thing that has happened in the market. Last week, on the media, everyone was shouting at the top of their voice, either there will be a correction or we are doomed. That's it. Renko was very clearly showing that we are bull. We will continue irrespective of whatever be the announcement of the budget. 9th November 2016, Trump win. This is a beautiful thing. Beautiful, beautiful chart. That last chart I have. This doesn't work only in the Indian markets. This works even in US system. Everyone was anticipating Hillary to win, and they have created a long, correct? And they were anticipating that if Trump wins, that is the end of the stock market. Correct? Trump won. Why didn't market fall? Because they were holding long. As simple as that. Yes. Now, this is the last slide, and I will also give you the logic, because I am a guy who doesn't accept anything. I am always skeptical in understanding things. I just wanted to know the logic behind it. I am telling you the logic. The ATR 14 का मतलब क्या है? The average true range, which is the volatility, will be the highest the day before event take place. Correct? When that kind of volatility can be observed and someone can go long and short, they will definitely have some information, or they will have the money power to prove that their funds are actually working. As simple as that. ATR matlab the volatility, the average volatility over the last 14 days, that will be the highest the day prior to the event is being announced or scheduled. If you can push the prices on the upside or the downside prior to that particular event, either you should have well-informed information, or you should have that much of money power to prove that you are wrong and everyone else is wrong. Correct? Drive the system. Yes, perfect. Yes. Correct. So I have shown you all the charts wherein the event is scheduled, event is unscheduled, wherein the event is favorable, wherein the events are not favorable according to the system. And now I am going to show you the result for the past 6.5 years. The system accuracy is 80%. Can you trust this? You have to trust. The reason is very simple. The reason is very simple that you have to trust this is because you do not know. 99% of the people here do not know what Renko is. Those who know Renko still believe that it is a trend riding system. If I don't have one participant, as this is the sample of 200 for me, if I don't have one person who has understood Renko properly, then tell me, obviously, yes, this has been kept as a secret. And since it is a secretive thing, that is why the accuracy rate is very, very high. Sorry? So I'll take questions one by one. Yes. No, it will not, because I have only revealed half of the secret. This is why I have created this slide. There are two systems that I have created. One is purely the thumb rule, which I have explained. There is the second system, which gives 95% of accuracy. I'll tell you the logic also. The logic was very simple. Even though the Renko was positive, there were days wherein the market didn't move as anticipated. Matlab, I expected the Renko is positive, so I should get at least 100 points, 200 points the next day, the moment event happens. But to my surprise, Nifty moved, but hardly 20 points or 30 points. I wanted to know why such a system, despite having the inside information, is not moving. And I have included one technical analysis study along with this thumb rule, and I've created and saw the perfection part of it. I was surprised that 95% accuracy is there. I was really surprised. And I am not asking you to trust me on this system number one. I have people who are followers of me. There are few who are in the WhatsApp group. The only thing that I told them the day before the budget was very clear: go long. At 3:25, the message that I have sent to them was very clear: go long. There are people, you can ask them. And I told them, despite that particular thing, if you have missed the next day, the moment when the budget is going on, I said buy market, that's it. Because irrespective of whatever Mr. Jaitley is going to announce, the market will move up. I don't know what is driving this, to be very honest. I don't know what is driving this. Maybe the money power or the inside information, I don't know. But this is driving much better. And this is one system wherein you can decode what exactly the event is going to take place, or what kind of market reaction is going to happen the moment event has been announced. Try the trend, you will exit the market with profit. That much I can tell you. But there is much better system to drive the trend, which is Henkin Ashi, not this. Please don't fall a trap to this. Sir, I'll take one question. I'll come to you, sir. Yes. Yes, one thing that I have to admit is like, see this event number 2. I'll just tell you this. Renko thumb rule system number 1, which we have shown the charts. This works beautifully for monthly expiry. Okay? It works for special events like elections, monetary policy, and budget. Okay? The system number 2 works for monthly expiry as well as the bank nifty weekly